Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to uninstall or delete SonyLIV app. Method 1. Go to this apps tab, go down, go to your app section, select SonyLIV app, then press and hold OK button on the remote. Go to view details. Here you can see uninstall option. From here you can uninstall. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go to apps. Go down. Select see all apps. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. Go down. From this list find SonyLIV. See. Select it. Select uninstall. Select OK. Done. See. Deleted. This is a method 2. These are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.